Hello my friends, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna review Lancôme Holiday Beauty Box, which one gonna available October 6th. This year we celebrating 90th anniversary of Lancome. Oh yes, this is such incredible deal. $89 this holiday makeup case with any purchase of $42 from Lancome. This is such incredible deal. Every year I have a privilege to review this amazing deal from Lancome. A truly amazing makeup holiday box. This is truly the best makeup box of the year. We have with you here 9 items and 8 items. It's a full size. I will give you sizes. I will try these products in front of you, my friends, and also I'm gonna have a one giveaway for one of you. You must live in United States. Comments below. Love you more than ice cream, and write word Lancome 90s. I am so excited, my friends. Let's start. Let me show you this incredible makeup box close to you. Very beautiful festive holiday set. Oh yes, this year Lancome celebrated 90th anniversary, and all holiday collection gonna look a light pink color. Very pretty, right, my friends? Again, we have a big Lancome logo here. It is kind of heavy because we have inside 9 beautiful products, and from these 9 products, 8 items, it's a full size. We have cleanser, eye makeup remover, serum, moisturizer, lip gloss, travel inside perfume, big beautiful eyeshadow palette, Lash primer, and mascara. I'm so excited to open this set for you. This set gonna cost you $89 with any 42 purchase of Lancome, and value $534. Woohoo! I know so many of you gonna send this amazing deal to your mom, to your friend. Let's look at how gorgeous and beautiful this makeup case. It's perfect case for travel or to store your makeup. Very pretty, beautiful metallic pink color. Look at how beautiful this makeup case. It's perfect to keep your makeup or even take to traveling with you. We have a nice beautiful details. Even in the zipper it says Lancome. We have Lancome name here too. So fancy. Let's see how secure our products, because so many of you gonna send this amazing present to your mom, to your grandma, to your friend. Woohoo! They wrap really good. Nothing's gonna break. Everything looks tight and secure. Let's look at first 2 items. Oh my god, we have a full size cleanser here, 125 ml or 4.2 ounce, normal to combination skin, and it's a cream mousse cleanser. This mousse cleanser good for 12 months. I love this cleanser a lot. You need very little amounts, and of course it's sealed. Second item is Juicy Tube, full size and color spring heel. It's a very nice, beautiful light pink color, no shimmer. All I knew, this is lip gloss gonna enhance my lips and give me nice, beautiful hydration, my friends. This is lip gloss, feels very hydrating, not sticky. It just enhances my lips. And if you're gonna pay separate, this lip gloss gonna cost you $25. But why would you like to pay $25 if you can get this better deal, my friends? Next item, my friends, this is Génifique. #1 selling serum from Lancome. Oh yes, we have with you full size. We have here 1 ounce of product or 30 ml. What is serum? What is Génifique? Génifique. It's a serum which one you need to use morning and night first, and then on top you will use your moisturizer. It's come to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer, and this serum for loss elasticity will give you nice beautiful hydration, will plump your skin, and of course it works for lines and wrinkles. This is one of my favorite products from Lancome. Woohoo! Next item, it's a Renergy Peptide Moisturizer. This is incredible cream. I wish they give us a full size. I know, they're doing this on purpose to us. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's a traveling size moisturizer. We have with you 15 ml or 0.5 ounce. It's a clinically proved moisturizer. Will help you with lines, with the wrinkles, with discoloration, pigmentation, loss of elasticity. And this moisturizer have peptides, hyaluronic, and even niacinamide. Absolutely beautiful moisturizer, light, not heavy. I like how it smells. Just divine. If you're traveling, I will say, wow, you must take these moisturizers with you for your traveling. Next item, it's Lancome Bi-Facil Eye Makeup Remover, which I'm gonna remove not just regular mascara, waterproof mascara too. We have a pretty big amount with you here, 4.2 ounce or 125 ml. Also, if you're gonna buy this item just separate, it's gonna cost you $36. Why would you wanna pay $36 if you can buy this incredible set for $89? Next to item, it's one of my favorite items, my friends. Do you know why? I always wanna look spectacular every day, and my lashes too. We have a full-size Lancome Lash Primer. What it does, this product will make your eyelashes much more bigger, much more fuller. Basically, this is your extra volume, extra treatment for your lashes. And then we have in this set my favorite mascara, Idol. Look at this. I love this brush. It's a good separation, length and volume. This mascara never clumps. It's your regular mascara. Yes, Lancome separate selling this mascara is a waterproof, but instead it's a regular one, and they both full size, my friends. Next item, I will describe my happiness. It's here. It's La Vie Belle fragrance. It's a 0.34 ounce. It's your traveling size. Oh my god. We have here vanilla, patchouli, and I know this fragrance stays all day long. Next item, my friends, this is the most excited item to be from this collection, because remember, I am makeup artist. We have a big full-size Lancome Idol Cafe Crush eyeshadow palette, my friends. Woohoo! This palette feels pretty heavy. It feels and looks really luxurious. But wait a minute, my friends. Look at this. Look at the size of this eyeshadow. Let me show you this palette really close. Look at how big this eyeshadow palette. We have a big mirror with you, my friends, here. And look at these colors, my friends. Wow, we have shimmer, we have matte. Definitely this is palette. It's warm undertone eyeshadow palette. We have here purple, we have green, we have brown here. Again, such a beautiful palette, my friends. Look at this embossing. Look at this details on this palette. I love this palette a lot. If you're gonna buy this palette separate, it's gonna cost you $59, but I'll be honest with you, I will pay for this quality, for this eyeshadow palette, $100 because it's really good. I love this palette a lot. And it's my second one. Remember, I'm gonna have a gift giveaway. You must live in United States. I will send you this incredible holiday beauty box to your home. All what you need to do, comments below, write Lancome 90s. I know my makeup girls, you want to see swatches, right? This is such incredible, beautiful 12 colors. We have shimmer, we have matte, very rich pigment, my friends. I love this palette a lot. This palette is pretty good and all these colors, it's amazing. But let me show you very quick, easy eye makeup look. I have a big blending brush and we're gonna use these colors. It's a matte color and I'm gonna apply on the middle of my eye and I'm pushing this color little bit up. It's a very soft neutral color, gonna lift my eyes and will give me nice beautiful pop color. Again, it's your first color and it's matte. Next color, it's a beautiful burgundy color and I'm gonna apply right here in the corner of my eye and I'm gonna push this color little bit up. This color really popped my eyes. Now I'm gonna use the lightest color in this palette and I'm gonna apply above my eyebrow bone. It's gonna give me extra pop and extra lift, my friend. And for extra pop, I'm gonna use this beautiful khaki color and let's put on center of my eyelid. Woohoo, looks so pretty and nice, right? And I finished my eye look with this brown color I'm gonna use underneath. My eye makeup is done. It's such an easy palette to use. Incredible quality, and also I don't have any falling down. Very nice, beautiful, amazing quality and pigment. I like this palette a lot. This is truly the best holiday makeup box from Lancome. If you like this video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Love you more than ice cream. Comments below, Lancome 90. Remember, one of you who live in United States will receive this incredible makeup box from me. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video, my friends.